That's how he likes it. Please like, share, subscribe. Follow us right down there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Okay, that right there is a perfect chopped basil. In one of the kitchens with one of these cutting boards, and almost every week or bi-weekly people ask me, Chef, how do you clean that cutting board? So that's what I'm gonna touch on here right now. So this is a rock maple board. It's reversible. It's 20 by 15 by 2 1/4, and it's one of these. Really good quality here. I like it. This one's been used for a long time, maybe more than 6 or 7 years, I think. So as it gets dirty, we're using the bench scraper to scrape it off, just like this. Any residue that's left, you can just put on a paper towel and you can see it right there. Okay, towel dry it, that's good. All right. By looking at this, the board's getting a little bit dry. It's ready for an application of mystery oil. There's another product a little thicker that has a little more beeswax. That's the board cream. Good stuff. Shake it up. I've got more tricks. Watch some of the other videos. More tricks with this too. We shake it up. We put it on in a swirling motion like this. Plastic bag, recycle. Circular motion like this. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm almost done. All right, so that's it. This surface has been treated. You can do the sides if you'd like. Are you thinking about upgrading your kitchen? Would this look good? Perhaps this one? Visit the sponsor. They do custom quotes, save you money, free shipping, and no tax. So this one's kind of dried out. The surface is crying, oil me please, oil me please. And this one's fresh and ready to go. So that's the difference. You can see it right there. I highly recommend you get the mystery oil and or the board cream. You just apply it like this, little circular motion. Yeah. I prefer to use a plastic bag. I'm just gonna put it on like this. Oh yeah. Yeah. Looking good already. And this block has given me years and years of cutting, chopping pleasure. Primarily this one's used for serving fruits and cheese. You can see it sucking up the oil. Yeah, the oil protects it, it penetrates into the wood, and it makes it last for many, many more years. Looking really good now, yeah. The other side, same deal. It's crying for some oil. Oh, let's give it the oil. There we go. Okay, the oil is on there. Circular motion, let it penetrate. Doesn't take very long, a little effort, but this maintenance is very, very important. So if you need to score the oil, if you need to order the butcher block, I highly recommend you visit your sponsor. They have about 50 years of combined experience in butcher block, and wow, it's the good stuff. And get cooking again, it's awesome. If you need any of these, check out your sponsor. They've got every size and shape, custom, everything imaginable in butcher block. Not just these big ones, but smaller cutting boards as well. Quite often we're using these boards throughout food service, catering, parties. This one here is edge grain. It's also been cut on for about 10 years. And these come in a whole bunch of different sizes. Really, really nice. Get the good stuff the first time. These are made in America. You get a 1-year warranty. It's the best you can buy. Get the good stuff the first time. Forget all the garbage, the cheap stuff the mass merchants are trying to push on you. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good.